Someone confronted my wife and I when we were dumpster diving yesterday, but it didn't turn out like you would think. Check it out.
I'm looking for aluminum.
Just some scrap, yeah.
There have some scrap over here.
Yeah? All that stuff? Oh, nice. Yeah?
Well, you can bring your truck right here.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll bring it over.
Okay.
Yeah, be right back. But this is exactly what I tell people is like, you don't need to worry about people confronting you. This is a confrontation and the guy's gonna fill our truck up. All this.
Whatever you need, take it.
Whatever from
Toss
here.
away.
Yeah, okay. That's aluminum too? Or...
Like stainless steel.
Oh yeah? Okay, that stuff too?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
If anybody comes from Jonathan.
Jonathan?
From Lenscrafter.
From where?
Lenscrafter.
Lenscrafter? Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
So, all that stuff. Yep. Whoa, it's really fucking heavy.
This is a little long. Copper.
This is what I'm talking about, that you don't need to worry about people confronting you when you're doing this, and that it can turn out to be people are actually gonna load your truck up with metal for you. All right, that's good. I think I can really fit, we can really fit much more. This freaking score.
Just like, looks like you went Home Depot.
Right. So just to summarize, I was looking at a dumpster and that guy came up to us, says, oh, you're looking for some aluminum? Follow me. And he led me into this construction site here and it's pointing to that pile, that pile, that pile, take whatever you want. And so I was able to fill my truck up. We've got stainless steel, aluminum, some steel. This is probably $120, $150 worth of aluminum, stainless steel, and steel. So you don't always have to be afraid of people when you're out dumpster diving. Sometimes they're gonna say, oh, you're looking for metal? You're looking for this? Pull up to the back, I'll fill you up.